guys, today we're gonna install a bidet by the brand Hibbent. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna install it in our toilet behind us. So it should be a couple minutes. Let's get started. All right, so here's everything we get inside the box. We get the installation kit, we get the bidet itself, we get a hose to attach it to our toilet, and we get the adapter that goes from the wall to the toilet and adapter. And as you can see, we have some knobs here depending on what you need. So high, low, or medium, and water. And this is what the bidet looks like before installing. So according to the first step, you have to remove your seat out of the toilet. So that's what we did. Overall install is really easy. It comes with this piece right here, the hose for the bidet, the hose that comes from the wall. And then you want to pretty much set up the bidet, and then on top you want to set up your seat. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it does not change much of the toilet, but now you have. All right guys, so the test number one. So we have the water pressure on this side, and then you can move it around and adjust it however you need it. So we're gonna test it with the peach. And as you can see, depending on the water pressure you need, it's pretty powerful. So you can save on toilet paper once you get used to the pressure, and pretty much, you know, keep your nice buns clean.